Hi, little stars. I'm Lumi. Welcome to LumiVy Kids. Are you ready to sing and dance in the rain? Grab your umbrella and let's have some fun.
Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little children want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Splash, splash, jump around. Tiny puddles on the ground. Laugh and sing, hip hooray. Soon the sun will come to play. Rainbow shining in the sky. Birds are singing way up high. Rain, rain, rain. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Splash, splash, jump around. Tiny puddles on the ground. Flowers bloom so bright today. Let's all smile and dance away. Lumi shines with golden light, making every day so bright. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. See you soon, my friends. Hooray, goodbye, everyone. Have a lovely day.
Bye-bye, little stars. See you in our next adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Good night.